ramen. That soulful bowl full of noodles and broth.
Hey, welcome back, Robotic Head. It's actually the night before Monday here, so exciting stuff. Hey, welcome back, Clinical Depression. Welcome to the VTuber community, virtual YouTuber. And though I'm quite different from the rest, though, a bit more entertainment from the others. This is more improvement. Can I do this? Welcome back. Another stream. Subscribe, comment, drop a like if you haven't. Today we continue with our Android journey. We're on pathway 3, architecture components. I have no clue what this means, but let's see. Check architecture components collection libraries to have it design robust, testable, and maintainable apps. It's just a library. Scramble app.
Oh, hey. I'm just trying to figure out what word these letters spell when unscrambled. But we'll get to unscrambling things in a minute. Congratulations! You've made it to the halfway point of this unit. So far, you've learned about how you can have multiple activities in an app, how to use fragments, and how to use the Jetpack navigation component. Now it's about to get even more exciting. That's right, you guessed it. We're about to enter the world of architecture components. Specifically, you'll learn how to use powerful libraries like ViewModel and LiveData to architect or design an app. Just like how you want a well-architected building to withstand the test of time, a well-architected app will be easier to add onto and maintain. In addition, this architecture simplifies handling the Android practices is a crucial step. Now it's about to get even more things in a minute. Congratulations! You've made it to the halfway point of this unit. So far, you've learned about how you can have multiple activities in an app, how to use
I was looking at the course to mobile app dev seems a lot more straightforward to other forms of programming. Actually, it's kind of funny. I think it's actually opposite for me. A lot of the other programming parts probably have a more gradual learning curve, but the mobile app stuff just keep throwing a bunch of stuff at you. And it doesn't really explain a lot of the parts. We'll see. But I like it. I think I might like it more once I get more comfortable as well.
fragments and how to use the Jetpack navigation component. Now it's about to get even more exciting. That's right, you guessed it. We're about to enter the world of architecture components. Specifically, you'll learn how to use powerful libraries like ViewModel and LiveData to architect or design an app. Just like how you want a well-architected building to withstand the test of time, a well-architected app will be easier to add onto and maintain. In addition, this architecture simplifies handling the Android activity, fragment, and application lifecycle. Following good app architecture practices is a crucial step towards becoming a more mature Android developer, and this will be your first chance to gain hands-on practice. You'll build the Unscramble app, the game that I was playing earlier, and if you guess the word correctly, your score increases. If you guess incorrectly, an error shows, but you can try again. If you get stumped, you can skip the word. After you get through 10 words, the game is over and this dialogue pops up with your final score. By the end of this pathway, you might be better at unscrambling words, but you'll definitely have a better grasp on how to use Jetpack architecture components in your Android apps. You'll be able to store data in a view model and use data binding with LiveData to update the UI based on data changes in your app. It's pretty powerful stuff. I should have known. It spells haircut. I could totally use another one of those. Now that I've solved my problem, let's explore how architecture can help solve your app development problems.
Okay. Store data in your ViewModel. Configuration changes, retain app data. So previously we were using like the put extra and those really what's it called, like data bundle to pass things around. Let's see what's up with this. Holy moly. Alright. Store data in life model, you've learned in preschool life cycles. Activities and fragments. Oh boy, I forget what those uncreated, view creative. I forgot the different roles already. Like when you inflate a view, when you bind to the different view objects, is that how I call it? I already forgot most of those. Save after saving instance state is one option, but comes with its own limitations. Scholar learn about robust redesign your app and preserve app data during configuration changes by taking advantage of Android Jetpack libraries. So basically, Android Jetpack is a library that helps you follow good practices, etc. So like building blocks. I kind of wish they did like a drop down thing, because that's what the XML files were for. App architecture is a set of design rules, much like the blueprint of a house. Architecture provides the structure of your app. A good architecture can make your code robust, flexible, scalable, and maintainable for years to come. With this step, you'll learn how to use view model, one of the architecture components to store app data. Stan Alonso requests. Remember, we went to a whole lot of troubles to save data when the view was destroyed. Store data is not lost. Architecture view model, team UI data, backing properties in Kotlin. Scramble game app where the user can guess scramble words. Okay. So display unscramble words. It's correct. Is there a timer? Oh, they add a timer. Cut. Okay, got the unscramble word starter. Let's see what's wrong with that first. Where's 20? What's this? Rock or not? Oh, I got it. Dance. Okay, when you press enter, it automatically goes to if I press enter, it goes to skip. Submit. I just have to submit it, it will always give me points. And it doesn't end at 10. Let's see. Yep. 10 games. Oh, really? Really? Yeah, undock this is kind of earring breaks. Look, got those meetings. Me, I feel morning meetings. I take a big amount of my meetings on my bed now. So you don't really have to participate in some of them. Even back then, there are a lot of meetings that I just don't go and do other productive work instead. Oh, Nando. Picture from Wednesday learned by this past day. Okay, look forward to that because those were super hacky from what I can tell. Charcoal walkthrough. Game fragment is probably the main thing. Display score and counts. Yeah. Okay, one activity, one fragment. Some colors, you got some strings. We know this very well. And styles and themes like the text color, text font, etc. Main activity contains the default template generally coded to set the activity's content view as main activity.xml. List of words.kt contains a list of words used in game as well as constants for the maximum number of words per game and the number of points the player scores for every correct word. Kind of like the app data almost. The only fragment in the app and most of the game's action takes place. Define the current scramble word. Current scramble word count and score. I just do the binding object is with access to game fragment. Called binding is defined. On create view in place layout. On view created. So those UIs are connected. This is the binding happens, right? I think. I don't know. Here's binding. Oh, let's see. Click listener. The escape word. The other button listener. Code for these two are very similar. The next scramble words is a helpful function, so it goes along with the skip words, I think. Well, goes along both of this. Start game, exit game. Oh, didn't see this. Set error text field, clears the text field, and then reset the error status. This one I'm not sure what it means. Really means errors related to app or the errors related to wrong guesses on the words. Update next word on screen function displays the new scrambled word. Pretty self-explanatory. About app architecture provides you with guidelines to help you allocate responsibilities in your app. One most common principle, but what are all of them? If there's all of them. Oh. I want to see this. Separation of concerns. Okay, it's got like one function, one class. Drag UI from a model. Different from affected by the app's lifecycle and associated concerns. Seems I get it, but not completely. I think the way to rephrase this is it's kind of like a bundle separate from parts utilized in the life cycle. Then the life cycle always goes to this bundle to get data and recreate. And we'll come back, good friend. I've seen the emote before. That was a JK emote, nice. The main classes or components in Android architecture, UI controller, room model, live data, and room. These components take care of some of the complexity of lifecycle and will help you avoid lifecycle related issues like the undestroy and lose all data thing. Okay, we'll talk about that later, it seems. Oh. Not with this. OS can destroy the activity based on user interactions anytime. It uses OS data if Android destroyed it. Yup. Oh, this one is real cool. Like sometimes YouTube keeps playing even though you're disconnected. UI layer, domain layer. Oh yeah. UI renders the data on screen, host the data, don't know what that means, to be honest. This one makes sense, but the stakeholder doesn't make sense. The data layer of an app contains the business logic. Business logic is what gives value to your app. It's made of rules that determine how your app creates, stores, and uses data. The data layer is made of repositories that each can integrate with many data resources. You should create a repository class for each different model of data you handle in the app. For example, you might create a movies repository class for data related movies, or a payment repository class for data related to payments. Centralizing changes. Oh, that's why it's named repository. It's got like co-repositories. This is the logic. Activities and fragments are UI controllers. UI controllers control the UI by drawing views on the screen, capturing user events and anything else related to the UI. The user interacts with data in the app or any decision-making logic about data should not be in the UI controller classes. Android system can destroy UI controllers anytime. It shouldn't store them in UI controllers. ViewMod is the data layer. But rather than this controls this, more like this access this. Oh, this is part of the library. Cool. So we can add process, but beyond UI controllers. Basically drawing stuff to the screen and reacting, responding. This is a host to holding on the data. It's like holding all the other elements. Store app data schema over to have it be taken for may activity contains one single fragment. Game fragment access information from the game view model. Activity versus fragment. I really don't like it for geeks. focus thing the user can do. Custom Megatears provides a box of interesting stuff. It lays out all the fragments, buttons, text to the users. That's why it's called main. Creating a window for you. It's almost like Activities A. It's not like a blackboard, and this is like those picture that you could. This one is like our frame. This is the fragment is the pane. You can switch in between frames. Okay. In the Android window of Android Studio, Gradle scripts. This one, the add one, module one. Make sure this real model. Yep, it's already here. Undocked. Float. Okay. Create a new polling class called GameViewModel. In UI game. Abstract class extended. Attach the view model to the fragment. Game fragment, you create instance of GameViewModel. What? But I thought this should be away from fragments. And colon property delegate. Read only property value. Oh, this is a read only. By view models, delegate class. This loses state and the device goes to the coverage. Okay, so this exists in. It's almost like got delegated by this view model thing. Delegate class. It's a delegate property rather than one that disappears. Got it. That property delegation prevents it from getting lost. Cool. That's the end of this video and today's stream. See you guys next time. Peace.